Have you been looking for a one-level home in the Lyman, South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of our listing right here at 658 Grover Drive in Lyman, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by being their advisor and guiding them as they purchase their dream home and sell at the best price. And we would love to help you too. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, South Carolina area. All right, let's check out 658 Grover Drive right here in Lyman, South Carolina. Beautiful home. This is a small development here. There is no HOA in this community. And this is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home and 2-car garage, as you can see here. And really gorgeous home. There's this tree right here in the front, kind of gives a nice shade and privacy. And as you can see here, we walk up to the front here. You've got a nice little front porch here. You got a couple of rocking chairs right there. And they got the landscaping looking pretty good out here. And storm door. And nice front door here, so lets in some natural light as well. Open floor plan. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty bright in here. Luxury vinyl plank throughout this home, except in the owner's primary bedroom. The owner wanted carpet. When they woke up, they wanted to just step on, carpet. Gas log fireplace. I did test it earlier. It does work. And we're going to check out these bedrooms first. So right here is one of the bedrooms. It's a split bedroom floor plan. Okay, as you can see, luxury vinyl plank on the floors here as well. Ceiling fan in every room. You got a couple of windows there. Lets in good natural light in here. That's the closet for this room. Okay. And this is the bathroom for the 2 bedrooms and the guests. Okay. It's been updated as well. You can see the nice fixture there as well. Okay. And this is a small linen closet. Okay. And they did replace the HVAC unit, so you've got a new thermostat here as well. Bedroom number 2. Okay, again, luxury vinyl plank on the floors, ceiling fan as well, and just a normal, regular size closet for a secondary bedroom. Okay. And on this side, you've got the dining area here and the kitchen, pantry. Okay, all of the appliances do stay. The refrigerator stays. You got stainless steel appliances and tile backsplash as well, and stainless steel everything here. And you got some additional storage on behind the countertop here in the sink, where the sink is located. Okay. Again, dining area. And let me just show you this real quick. We'll come back to it, but there's a added sunroom area here. This is like a building that they bought it. It's about 12 by 12, I believe, 12 by 11, something like that. It gives you a nice little sunroom area, and you can open it up, let some air in as well. Okay, we'll go back out to the backyard in a minute. Okay, all right, so the laundry area here. So again, luxury vinyl plank on the floors. The washer and dryer does stay as well. And the 2-car garage. automatic door opener. There is a tankless gas water heater right over there, so you have endless hot water. Pull down attic for easy access to go up to the attic. Okay, and this is the primary bedroom. Decent size primary bedroom. And the walk-in closet. Okay. And you've got this nice barn door here for the ensuite bathroom. And they updated this, and you got the nice shower. There is a seat in the shower as well. And then the built-ins right here. So you've got plenty of space for storage. And this thing is pretty deep as well. So it's deep, so you can store things in here. There's more up there as well, and some on the bottom. And you have double sinks. And again, luxury vinyl plank floors. There is a window in here as well, so good natural light also. All right, so I'm just gonna pan around here one more time and just show it in the bathroom again. Okay, all right, so let's go check out the outside. All right, so we'll go back out here. Just gonna pan around here. So this is a 20 by 20 deck that they put this additional sunroom on. It's a building that they bought and actually attached it to their house. But there's a huge deck out here, so if you didn't want the sunroom on there, you've got a 20 by 20 deck that you could use, okay? Pretty good sized lot as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. This home is conveniently located. Like I said, all the appliances stay in the kitchen. The washer and dryer also stays. Easy access to the highway. Very nicely located home. So neighborhood is kind of small. There's no HOA. It's not a very big neighborhood at all. And this one here, right here, you do not want to miss this one. So if you are interested or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. All right, have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. All right, bye.